Okay then, so we're straight over for another ride on Tornado. I've just had a ride without Charlotte. I've just said it's warmed up even more nicely for you now. Here we go, get ready for it. This is probably Charlotte's last ever ride on this, I reckon. Get ready for it, it's coming. Here we go. And now! Woo! Oh, it's warmed up now. Woo! It was so earlier, but now it's warmed up. Look at her face. Oh, is this bad for you, Charlotte? Here we go. Oh my God. It's coming, here we go. That has got to be some of the funniest footage I've ever seen. I knew that would be your last ride. That's why I said it in the clip. I was like, that's Charlotte's last time ever riding that. It was right there. Are you alive? Are you okay?
What is that?
It's an Intamin Spinning Coaster.
I know, it's still spinning on the brake.
Oh.
Rotten.